Hello viewers, welcome to Storyforus.
Diwali, the festival of lights. Long ago, there lived a powerful and arrogant demon named Narakasura. He had a boon that made him almost invulnerable, and he used his power to terrorize the heavens and the earth. He captured the city of Amaravati and imprisoned the celestial beings and stole the divine earrings of Aditi, the mother of the gods. The gods, led by Lord Indra, were troubled by Narakasura's evil deeds and sought the help of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, known for his divine powers, agreed to confront the demon. Before the battle, Lord Krishna sought the blessings of his wife, Satyabhama, and received a powerful weapon called the Sudarshana Chakra. With this weapon in hand, he went to confront Narakasura. A fierce battle erupted between Lord Krishna and Narakasura, with the demon using all his might to defeat Krishna. However, Lord Krishna's divine strength and the Sudarshana Chakra proved too powerful for Narakasura to overcome. In the end, Lord Krishna used his Sudarshana Chakra to strike down Narakasura, defeating the demon and ending his reign of terror. Narakasura, in his last moments, realized the error of his ways and sought forgiveness. People celebrated Lord Krishna's victory by lighting oil lamps, bursting firecrackers, and rejoicing in the streets. The defeat of Narakasura is celebrated as the festival of Diwali, which symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. It's a reminder that even the most powerful of evil can be defeated by the forces of good and righteousness.
Subscribe for more videos.